Madam Diskaya, Sarah, it is common knowledge that you own 9 companies, namely St. Gerard, St. Timothy, Alpha and Omega, Elite General Contractor and Development Corporation, St. Matthew, Great Pacific Builders, YPR General Contractor, Amethyst Horizon Builders, and Waymaker OPC. Am I correct?
Yes po.
Hanggang ngayon, up to now, you own these 9 construction companies?
Yes po.
All right. Since you started securing contracts from the DPWH, since kailan kayo nag-umpisa? 2012?
DPWH?
Yes.
Yes po,
O,
2012.
pag-usapan muna natin yung 2022 hanggang 2025. Ilan na po yung naging projects nyo sa DPWH?
Marami na po.
Ilan nga?
I don't have
Mahigit
the figure.
400? Mahigit 500? Within the span of 3 years.
I don't have the figures po.
Estimate lang po, ballpark
Give me a
figure.
ballpark figure.
Siguro po mga 400 ganun. I'm not
Siguro.
I'm really not sure.
Okay.
I don't have the figures with me.
Sa loob, sa bawat taon, ilang bidding ang sinasalihan mo?
Marami po kaming sinasalihan na bidding.
All flood control projects?
No po.
O ano pa yung mga projects?
Buildings, kalsada,
Nationwide or only in Metro Manila?
nationwide po.
Nationwide. All right. Pero yung bulk ng mga projects na award sa ng DPWH, mostly sa Metro Manila. Am I correct?
Hindi po, sa probinsya po. Sa iba-ibang lugar.
No, the bulk of your contracts. Here in Metro Manila?
No po, outside Metro Manila ang marami.
Where
na.
outside? Where outside of Metro Manila?
We have in Romblon, Cebu, Bohol, Bacolod, Zamboanga. Hindi naman po kami namimili ng lugar.
Migos Project?
Wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Opo,
Kaya
definitely.
ka dahil pag meron kami ma-discover na may ghost project, pakukulong kita rito. Minimum totoo.
Wala po talaga.
Meron ka mga pictures na lahat ng mga proyekto ginawa mo?
Yes po,
Nasaan?
meron po kami.
Lahat ng mga 400 projects, meron kang litrato?
Yes po.
O i-submit mo rito sa committee.
Okay po.
Okay. Sa mga bidding na sinasalihan mo ng mga kumpanya mo, itong 9 na kumpanya, ilang beses kayo nanalo? At ilang beses, kung natatalo rin kayo sa
Actually,
bidding,
I
ilang
don't
beses kayo
have the
natatalo?
actual figures, pero sa panapanalunan, very minimal lang po talaga, mga 2%. Pero ang dami namin projects po na sinasalihan na bidding.
So, sa loob ng isang taon, pag nagbibidding isang kumpanya mo, halimbawa itong ano ba yun? Yung Alpha Phi Omega, ilang beses kayo nagbid sa isang taon at ilang beses kayo nanalo?
Madami po kaming sinasalihan. I really don't have the figures right now,
You know,
but I
if you
can...
come here, you have to come here prepared.
Yes
You
po.
do not come here unprepared. Alam mo na, tatanungin ka eh. Ikaw sikat na contractor, papa-interview ka. Oh. You have to come here prepared.
Your Honor, I am prepared for the flood control projects that you are mentioning. I have the statistics of how many I bidded and how many I lost and how many I won.
Okay. You mentioned it to us right now.
You are asking her to relate the 400.
No.
Parang mahirap naman yata.
Hindi.
400.
In 2022, I bidded for 491 projects. This is just for the flood control, Your Honor.
How many projects? For
491.
100?
491. 491. I joined the bidding. Po.
Oh.
This is in 2022. I only got 71 projects from the 491 na sinalinan ko po.
71 only. How many companies? Itong
This is
siyam?
just for Alpha and Omega
Oh,
po.
what about the other companies? What about the other 8 remaining companies that you own?
I don't have the statistics
Oh.
for that because I was only called as Alpha
Wait,
and Omega.
You admitted earlier when I asked you if you own these 9 companies and you answered in the affirmative. Right now I'm asking you kung ilan yung 71 71 flood control projects na napanalunan ninyo. Now you're only speaking in behalf of Alpha Phi Omega. Eh kanina sinabi mo ikaw may-ari ng Siam. Why can't you answer in behalf of the 8 remaining companies?
Kasi po, yun lang yung na-prepare po namin for today's hearing.
Oh, what about the representative of the other construction companies? Itong si Remando. Oh, how many? You're representing St. Timothy.
Good morning po, Mr. Chairman. For St. Timothy Construction po, we have 145 projects.
Flood control projects.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Since
Since 2022,
up to the present as we speak, 122.
145.
Excuse me?
145, Mr.
Napanalunan ang na-award sa inyo 145 flood control projects.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Napanalunan niyo 'yan.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, all in all, dun sa 8 companies, ilan? Dun sa 9 companies, hindi nyo alam? Out of the 400, maybe, who can answer my question from the DPWH? Maybe they have the records there. Madam Diskaya, saan nyo ba kinukuha yung mga coaching imported, mga luxury cars? Ang balita ko, dun sa interview mo, binili mo yung isang Rolls Royce dahil nagandahan ka sa payong. Tama ba?
Sir, yes po.
Samantalang, ilan yung luxury cars mo?
Nasa 28 po.
28 lang. Ano,
Yes.
ano ito mga ito? Rolls Royce, Ferrari?
I don't have a Ferrari.
Ano yung mga luxury cars? Lamborghini?
No rin. Cadillac.
Saan binili? Saan binili? Sagutin mo na.
Sa mo binili?
Sa dealer po.
Sino dealer? Dito, local? Local dealer o sa abroad?
Freebell Enterprises tsaka yung isa Auto Art.
Dito, sa Pilipinas?
Yes po.
Hindi ka nag-import?
No po.
Dito may dealer ng mga
Yes po.
Rolls Royce. May dealer ng Rolls Royce
meron
dito.
po.
Ano pa yung mga ibang luxury cars mo?
Yung anong tawag dito, yung Cadillac and the GMC.
Cadillac Escalade, ganon?
Yes po.
Oh.
The GMC. Yun lang.
Sinong dealer?
I mentioned earlier Freebell Enterprises and Auto
Sa
Art.
lahat ng kotse mo, yun ang mga dealers mo.
Dalawa lang sila
Dalawa
po.
yung dealers mo.
Yes
what,
po.
what other luxury cars do you own?
Yung iba dito na, the Maybach. Dito
Maybach,
ko na binili.
Mercedes.
Yes po. And then, yung iba, dito na rin yung Range Rover.
Bentley.
The Bentley dito na rin
O,
po.
paano kayo nagka-interest sa kotse? Saan nyo gagamitin yung 28 kotse na luxury cars? Araw-araw gusto mo
Collection.
palit ng kotse?
No, I have 4 kids that use it all the time for them to
Oh,
be
4
taken to
kids
school.
lang. O, bigyan mo tig-isa, pero 20, ilan yun? 20 ka mo? 28?
28. Opo.
My God. And you bought that from the taxpayers' money?
No po.
Oh,
Hindi po.
Huwag na tayo maglokohan
be-
dito.